Welcome back, guys, to the brand new episode of Fidget Spinner. Let's open opening our new fidget spinner. As you can see, we got a new fidget spinner for just 150 rupees. It has some accuracy and spins up to 4 minutes. I will show you this. First, we begin the descriptions. It has a metal bearing which rotates smoothly and not make much noise and can carry it easily. Read the description. Warning: choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 3 years. We can do some tricks with it. I'm just now learning how to do tricks. I know this one to how to change hand. Oh, I just found. I'm just learning about it. See this. Let us read. Name of the importer is Noor International. Name of the exporter Choking Hong Kong Rising International Limited. Manufacturing name UMV Colorful IMP and XP Co Limited. Item name Spinner Top. Item number 369. Year and month of the manufacture. It is manufactured in May 2007. Just now. MRP of this. It is 112 per spinner, and I just bought it for 150. You can bargain for it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. In my next video, we are going to give a big giveaway of 5 fidget spinners. So don't forget to comment. If we get up to 100 likes, we are giving one fidget spinner of like this as same as, and Iron Man fidget spinner for 500 likes, and 1000 likes we are giving, and Super Captain America Shield fidget spinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sad.